If you're struggling to grow on YouTube, it might be because you're not automating your growth. Now, what does that mean? Well, if you're doing things manually, like coming up with ideas for videos, editing your videos, scheduling your videos, and even interacting with your audience, you're wasting time and you're leaving subscribers on the table. In this video, we'll go over how to automate your YouTube growth by using some of the best AI tools on the market. Let's get right into it. Coming up with video ideas is one of the most challenging parts about creating content, especially if you don't have a team of people helping you out. It can take hours every single week just to figure out what videos you should make, and sometimes you just end up making videos that don't perform well. Instead of spending all of that time coming up with ideas, why not let an AI tool do it for you? One of the best AI tools out there for coming up with YouTube ideas is Vidic. Vidic uses AI to analyze billions of data points every single day so that you can get real-time suggestions for high-performing topics and titles. Not only will they give you ideas that are based off of real data, but they'll also rank those ideas based on search intent, competition, and more. And here's how it works. First, you'll want to install the Vidic extension in your browser. You can install it in Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Then go to the Ideas tab within the extension and type in a seed keyword. For example, if you're a cooking channel, you might want to type in chicken recipes. From there, Vidic will use its AI technology to come up with hundreds of new ideas for your channel. But that's not all. It'll also give you an idea score from 1 to 100. The higher the score, the better the idea. And this score is based off of 4 different metrics. Search volume, which shows you how often people are searching for that keyword phrase. Competition, which shows you how difficult it will be to rank for that keyword phrase. Trend, which shows you whether or not people are searching for that keyword phrase more or less over time. And finally, there's opportunity, which is calculated by taking search volume and dividing it by the number of videos that are already ranking for that keyword. So if there's a lot of search volume but not a lot of videos ranking for it, that means there's a huge opportunity for you to tap into. Now, once you find an idea that has a high score, you can click on the idea and Vidic will give you a list of title suggestions that you can use for your video. These titles are also ranked based on how well they might perform, so you can see the estimated views per hour for each title. This is based off of actual data that Vidic has collected, so you know that these are accurate estimations. To get all of these features, all you need to do is download the free extension. There is a paid version, but the free version is enough for most small channels. So now you have an AI tool that can help you come up with ideas for videos. But what about actually editing the videos? After all, video editors spend dozens of hours every single week editing videos. This takes up a lot of time that could be spent growing your business or doing other things. Luckily, there's an AI tool that can edit your videos for you. In fact, there are quite a few, but the best one that we've tested is Pictory. With Pictory, you can turn blog posts into videos automatically. You can also summarize long-form content into short-form content, and they also have a video editing tool that lets you remove the background from videos and a whole lot more. But our favorite feature is their auto-edit feature, where you upload a blog post and they'll turn it into a professional-looking video. Here's how it works. Once you sign up for an account, you'll head over to the editor and click on Create My Video. From there, you'll want to paste in the URL of your blog post or upload a Word document. Once you do that, you can choose the language of the text. Choose a title for the video and then select your preferred voiceover artist. They have a ton of different voices to choose from. Finally, you can choose a template for your video. They have everything from simple and clean templates to more cinematic templates. Once you're done setting up your video, click on Create and then sit back while Pictory's AI technology creates a beautiful video for you. You'll be able to download the video in 4K resolution and you'll own all of the rights to the video, so you can do whatever you want with it. Pricing starts at $0 per month with the Forever Free plan. That plan comes with certain limitations though, like you'll only be able to create up to 2 videos every single week and you won't have access to their API. If you want to remove those limitations, you can upgrade to the unlimited plan, which starts at just $19 per month. There are plenty of other AI tools out there that can help you with video editing. In fact, we made a video covering 8 different AI tools that can help you edit videos faster. You can watch that video after this one. But no matter what tool you use, you should try to automate the editing process as much as possible. You've automated your ideation process and you've automated your editing process. But what about your YouTube schedule? After all, if you're not posting consistently, you're not going to grow on YouTube. According to a recent study, you should be posting between 1 to 4 videos every single week, but most small channels aren't doing that. In fact, they're only publishing 1 video every single month. Luckily, there's an easy way to solve this problem, and it's by using a video scheduler like Vidic. With Vidic, you can schedule your videos in advance so that they're published consistently on your channel. Not only will this help you grow faster on YouTube, but it'll also save you a lot of time. Instead of logging into YouTube and uploading a video every single time you publish, you can simply upload a video to your computer and then schedule it to be published later on. To do this, you'll first need to create an account. You can do that for free, and then you'll download the desktop app. Once you install the software, you'll want to click on the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. From there, you'll simply drag and drop your video into the media library. Next, click on Add Video. Here you'll enter in the video title, description and thumbnail. Finally, click on the Schedule tab and choose when you want your video to be published. You can choose a date in the future and a specific time, or you can choose one of the suggested times. These suggested times are based off of when your audience is online, so you know that your video will be seen by as many people as possible. Once you're done, click on Save, and then your video will be scheduled. You can also change the status of the video from pending to published. This will publish the video immediately. On top of scheduling your videos, Vidic also gives you a ton of analytics and suggestions for your channel. These suggestions are based off of your individual channel, and they'll help you grow faster on YouTube. Overall, Vidic is an awesome tool that you can use to automate your video uploads. And the best part is that it's completely free to use. These 3 tools will help you automate a large part of your YouTube growth, but there's still one more thing that you need to automate, and that's interacting with your audience. If you're not interacting with your audience, you're missing out on subscribers and you're not building a community. Luckily, there is an easy way to solve this problem, and it's by using a social media management tool. One of the best tools out there is called Hootsuite. With Hootsuite, you can schedule your tweets, Facebook posts, Instagram posts, and YouTube comments in advance. This means that you can interact with your audience on a regular basis, without having to spend hours every single day on social media. To do this, you'll first need to create an account. You can do that for free, and then you'll download the app. Once you install the app, you'll want to click on the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. From there, you'll select which social network you want to post to. In this case, we'll choose YouTube. Next, you'll enter in the comment that you want to make. Finally, you'll click on the Schedule tab and choose when you want the comment to be published. You can choose a date in the future and a specific time, or you can choose one of the suggested times. These suggested times are based off of when your audience is active, so you know that your comment will be seen by as many people as possible. Once you're done, click on Save, and then your comment will be scheduled. You can also use Hootsuite to schedule your tweets, Facebook posts, and Instagram posts. This is a great way to interact with your audience on multiple social media platforms without having to spend hours every single day on social media. The best part is that you can do all of this for free. So there you have it. Those are some of the best AI tools that you can use to automate your YouTube growth. If you use these tools, you'll be able to grow your channel faster, and you'll have more time to focus on other areas of your business. Make sure to check out the links below to get started with all of these tools. Also, if you're looking for more ways to automate your YouTube growth, we'll link up a video here in the end screen that you can watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.